Is E. Charan Sai. His name is Charan. His name is Deepak. We are from 8th class of Shantiniketan English Medium High School. Today we are going to explain about windmill. Deepak, who and where when the windmill was invented?
The first wind turbine in the history built by Charles F. Brush. Wind turbines have currently been installed throughout the world, both onshore and offshore, thanks to Charles F. Brush, 1849 to 1929, an American scientist who in 1887 built what is said to be the first automatic wind turbine to generate electricity. Charan, what are the uses of wind turbine?
Windmill is used to generate electricity. It converts kinetic energy from the wind into mechanical energy. All the blades of the windmill always rotates as a clockwise direction. The first windmill was designed at the year of 1854 by Daniel Halliday. Windmill consists of fan-like structure erected on strong standing support. Charansai, how the windmill works? The windmill works on a simple principle. The energy in the wind rotates the blades around a rotor connected to the shift. The shift spins the generator and produces electricity. Anemometer is also used in windmill to measure wind speed. Charansa and Deepak, what are the advantages of windmill? It is a clean fuel source. It depends on the combustion of fossil fuels. It contains zero carbon emission, which is associated with the operation of wind turbines.
The loss of farmers or any living beings does not occur. That is why wind turbines used only a factor of land. Windmill does not pollute air like power plant. Wind energy is free. Charan, what are the disadvantages of windmill?
It is not a continual energy source. It produces noise pollution. It also produces visual pollution. Birds have been killed by flying into rotational turbine blades. It travel and maintenance cost of turbines increases. It is time consuming.
Charan, what are the items you require to make this windmill?
The items we require to make this windmill are cardboard, thermocol, paper, switches, wires, tapes, etc.
Charan, with these items, how do you make this windmill?
First we take thermocol sheet and we make it as steps manner. After making the steps manner, we take a pipe and we kept in the center of the thermocol sheet. After we cover upward, we take motor and we connected cardboard fans. After connecting the cardboard fan, we take one side of the motor is connected to the switch and another side of the motor is connected to the battery. Like this, for light also we connected one side of the light to switch and another side of the light to battery. After connecting all the wires, we kept in this house light and we kept the motor upwards of the pipe. After we kept the switch back, thank you for listening and watching our demo windmill project.